Christi zurück in The Long Dark. Wir wollten uns eigentlich auf den Weg machen zu dem Haus, wo das Licht brennt. Jetzt mal was trinken, dass der gute Herr nicht unbedingt durchleiden muss. Dann brauchen wir jetzt erst einmal ein bisschen Feuer. Wanden wir das Heater? Da. Das brauchen wir. Da nehmen wir eins dazu und umlagern. So. Wisst ihr was? Ich hätte eine andere Idee. Der kriegt jetzt was zum Essen. Wie spät ist denn eigentlich? Bissl haben wir noch Zeit. Ein bisschen haben wir noch Zeit. Ich überlege nur gerade, was wir jetzt machen. Oder beziehungsweise wie wir das machen. Ich wollte eigentlich in das Haus drüben, wo der Schornstein brennt, der Kamin, ne? Warte mal. Eine Stunde. Sehr gut. 45 Minuten. Nehmen wir. So, jetzt zahlt es nämlich aus, dass wir was essen. Das haben wir im Kühlschrank, was ich mir entziehen. Ja, diesen Hasen müssen wir noch zlegen. Das kennt man aber auch noch machen. Den Scheiß haben wir. Antibiotika, Schmerzmittel, Verband. Ja, die wichtigsten Überlebensdinge hätten wir ja. Ja, Junge, jetzt gib einen Frieden, sonst hau ich dir gleich nieder. So. Der Hund hat einen Hunger. Ha? Der. Ha! Ist ja nicht mehr witzig, was der für einen Hunger hat. Was haben wir da herinnen gehabt? Genau. Feuer machen, bitte. Keine Zünder. Warum habe ich keine Zünder? Du Pferd. Das war wieder Top-Leistung von dir, kenne ich wirklich wahr. Nehmen wir da. Mit 3. Mackenzie's Stiefel. So. Okay. Buch 95%. Mach mal. So, komm. Komm schon. Hui. Brennstoff hinzufügen. Zurück. Kühlschrank. Haben wir. Da haben wir einen. Warte mal, ich muss den ja zerlegen. Na. Da ist das. Zerlegen. Haut, Därme. 1 Stunde 11. Wahnsinn. Okay. Zurück. Garn. Garn. Elf Minuten, 36 Minuten. Auf die 2 warten wir noch. Was war das für Tasten? Mit H, so. Das passt aber eh, weil bis wir das alles fertig haben, dann können wir es mich hinlegen. Ah, hätte ich gesagt. Und wir schauen später, was wir mit den Büchern anfangen können, weil irgendwas können wir damit abmachen. 3 Minuten, 2 Minuten. Na. Zeit bis zum Garpunkt warten. Sehr gut. Haha! Schurkenpark. Dir sage es. So, Brennstoff. Fügen wir noch ein bisschen was dazu. So. Damit können wir Wasser. Keine Töpfe im Inventar. Gut. Das werden wir so schlingen. Geschmackvoll, wie er immer trinkt und isst und hin und her. Okay. Elf Stunden. Ja, wir werden ihm jetzt mal die 11 Stunden geben. Er hat einen Absturz gehabt, hat er so seine Puppe gesucht und ja, was das ist. Mm. Mm. Bah, sehr gut. Aber ich glaube, wir können uns noch mal ein bisschen hinlegen. Und dann müssen wir wieder was essen. Na komm. Ah, herrlich. Und wir sind am Verhungern. Der Mensch hat ja gerade erst was gegessen, jetzt hat er schon wieder einen Hunger. Das ist ja Wahnsinn mit ihm. Umlagern, da mal um einen Liter. Umlagern. Abgestandene Dose Sardinen. Die kann man wahrscheinlich... Oh, der hat sogar Flüssigkeit drinnen. Geiler Meiler. Ah. So, was haben wir jetzt im Inventar? Und jetzt gehen wir dann zu den Hausturten. Können wir denn... Aha, okay. Wir werden da jetzt mal ein bisschen was lagern. Den Darm werden wir da lagern. Das Pelzchen werden wir da lagern. Die haben wir alle um mich. Ja. Na, das ist einmal nicht den Kühlschrank. Was haben wir da herunten herin? Ah, den Schamot. Okay. Wir brauchen sowieso einen Behälter. Okay. Warte mal. Spiel speichern. Sicherheit überschreiben. Okay. Annehmen. Was? Ja, ich bin halt ein bisschen paranoid, wie immer eigentlich, wenn ich aufnehme. Und da ist nicht mehr noch mit. Okay. So, und jetzt ab in das Haus. Und da draußen wird es wahrscheinlich jetzt ein paar Ungeziefer nur so gleich strotzen. Bitte, 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 bitte. Nix. Toll. Auf der Unterseite sind wir okay. Geben die Autos im Story Mode nichts her? War aber schon traurig. Nö. Hm. Eine kurze Ruckelorgie wieder einmal. Das gibt's nicht. Okay, dann geben die Handschuhfächer im Story Mode nix her. Na gut. Bist du deppert. Ah, da geht's so, ha? Die ganzen Häuser müssen wir alle noch durchsuchen. Tür öffnen.
Hello? Anybody here? Hey. Hey, wake up. Holy sh... wait! Hold your fire!
Get back.
Okay, okay. Just take it easy.
Why are you here?
I saw the smoke from your chimney.
Outsider.
What?
Thought so. Mainlander. Outsider. I don't recognize your voice. And you haven't left like the others. So, must be a mainlander. Someone who doesn't know any better.
My plane, I crashed in the mountains nearby. I'm looking for someone who crashed with me. A friend. She might be injured.
I haven't seen her.
Listen, could you maybe point that gun someplace else?
You think because my eyes are covered, I can't see you? Make the wrong move, say the wrong thing. You'll see how good a shot I am.
I don't doubt it.
The others are all gone. If you're here, things must be worse than they thought.
Wer bist du?
Name's Mackenzie, by the way. And you are?
I had a name once. But for years, the townsfolk have called me Grey Mother. A name takes on its own life. Such that at one point, the name becomes the thing it belongs to. Then the old names fade. Can only be remembered by the young and the true.
So, I should call you...
You should call me Grey Mother also.
Waffe?
Sitting here with a rifle in your hands. You expecting trouble?
Trouble. Trouble found me.
You mean the storm?
The bad men. The bad men came. Took my things. Tried to take my house. They thought they were safe. Because Grey Mother can't see. They were wrong.
Böse Männer?
Who are the bad men?
The men they passed through town. The night of the storm. The night of the lights.
I'm looking for my friend. She crashed with me when my plane came down in the mountains. Do you think she could have come through and been caught? By these bad men?
I can't say for sure. Is your friend a survivor?
Yes. She is.
Then there is always hope.
Verletzt?
The bad men. Did they try to hurt you?
Everyone thinks being old means you're weak, but they underestimated Grey Mother.
It seems they did.
Ausweg?
Okay. Well, any idea how I can get out of this town? I need to find help.
The old quake closed down most of the roads in and out of town. That was years ago. Blizzard just swept through town after the power went out. As for help, you won't find any out there. You're on your own. We both are.
Stadt?
Where are we?
Melman, a forgotten town deep in the mountains. You're far from home.
But where are we on Great Bear? My plane came down in a storm. My compass was acting funny.
I've lived here all my life. Not much use for the outside world. Milton's the last of the old mountain towns. Now, it's almost impossible to get to. Or get out of. Only people left here are either too poor or too proud to leave.
Which are you?
I have what I need. At least I did before the bad man came. Now I'm not sure I have enough to get through the winter.
I need to find my friend, but I'll do what I can to help.
My mind is fuzzy. Some things come through so sharp, others like a dream. Let me think. Let me rest. Maybe I can pull some memories out of the fog. Maybe I can find something that could help you find your friend.
Vorräte?
I crashed without much food or gear myself. And if these bad men cleaned you out, we're gonna need to find some food and fuel, or neither of us is gonna make it through the next few days. You have any idea where we could find some supplies?
The Batman took everything. And the others in town who would have helped me are gone. The ones left will have their own worries. It's up to you, outsider.
I'll do what I can, but I'll need your help. There must be somewhere in town to get food, fuel, the essentials.
What about your friend? Are you in a hurry to find her?
Yes, I am. And I'll be looking for signs of her. But there's a lot of ground to cover. Without gear, I won't make it. So while I'm looking for supplies, you see what you can remember about the Night of the Lights, and if she might have passed through town. That way, maybe we can help each other.
Okay, outsider. Grey Mother can't promise she can unlock the secrets in the dark cupboards of her mind. But she'll try.
Die graue Mutter. Andere Strom. Festländer.
You keep calling me a mainlander. Why?
It's what you are, isn't it? From the mainland, an outsider. You don't really belong here, do you?
Okay, but you sound bitter about it.
We lost everything in the collapse. People didn't realize how dependent we'd become. Some were fine with it. Others didn't want the scraps from your table. Created deep rifts in families, communities, scars that never healed. The mainland had become our lifeline, and it was suddenly cut. And so, we suffered.
I guess I don't know much about that history.
I'm not surprised. You mainlanders have always been focused on your own story. Only interested in Great Bear when it had something to give you. If you can't cut it down or dig it out of the ground, what use is it to you?
Strom.
The power seems out all over town.
The power's always been spotty here, since the quakes. No money to fix the broken stuff left behind. And nobody from the mainland seemed to care enough to do anything about it.
I'm sure someone will come and fix it.
Nobody's coming to save Milton.
How can you be so sure?
I've learned to hear the difference between something quiet and something abandoned. This goes deeper than just a stillness. It feels like the moments before the world goes to sleep. We're just the last ones left awake to notice it.
Andere.
What really happened here? Seems like people were here recently. Where did they go? Why didn't they call for help or just drive out?
The power went out. Who knows the reason? People started to get cold, hungry. They panicked, started to talk crazy. Others walked here from the highway. Some belonged here. Others were outsiders, like you.
Did anyone see a woman? Brown hair, would have had a tan jacket, a scarf with birds on it, possibly injured.
There was an outsider woman. I heard her pass through. She wasn't alone. There were angry voices and... But the storm was too loud.
Voices?
I lost the voices and I couldn't get them back.
Stimmen.
Before, you mentioned hearing voices. Do you remember what you heard?
Memories are gray, misty. I'm trying to remember. It was windy. The blizzard was already waking up. But I heard yelling. A scream.
Was it a woman's voice?
I'm not sure. The voices were thin, far. The blizzard was waking up. Soon there was only wind and darkness. I don't know. I don't remember. It's all cloudy now.
Space. Okay. Finde Vorräte, um das Überleben der Grauen Mutter zu sichern. Suche an der Tankstelle nach weiteren Vorräten. Was ich mich erinnern kann, kannst du da bei der Grauen Mutter im Haus nicht viel machen. Nö. Wir werden es da mal speichern. Neuer Spielstand nach der Mutter. Mutter. So. Annehmen. Wir hören und sehen uns das nächste Mal wieder an der Stelle und werden dann Milton nach weiteren Vorräten erkunden. Also dann, ich wünsche dir dabei was, danke fürs Zuschauen und Baba.